Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over views in MySQL. So I have a table created here, so we select all from persons. Okay, and you can see we have a couple of values inserted into here. Alright, but now we are going to be creating a view from this. So let's do create view, and we'll name it people. Okay, then we'll do as select, right? And then we want to select what field names do we want to get. So let's say I just want to get first name. So select first name from what table we want to create the view from. So persons. So from persons. And then we just have a where condition, and we'll do where first name is equal to, we'll do something like Bob, right? And just like that, we have created a view. So now whenever I do select all from people, the view that we have created, you'll see that we will create a view from this table. So we're only going to view this table, and we're only going to select where the first name is Bob. And we're only going to select the first name, that field. Now, whenever I add a record into this table, so we do insert into persons. We need to do first name and then last name of the values. Let's say we do Connor. And then we will do something like, let's say we do Jackson, right? Now we inserted into this persons table, but whenever we view, whenever we select from the view, you'll see, so we actually, this needs to be, whenever we insert, actually, this first name has to be Bob, right? So now whenever we select from people, you'll see that this gets viewed as well. Even though we haven't added it to this view here of people, this view just checks the records from this table here, persons. Okay, and since we inserted it into this table, whenever we view this view, it will get all of the names that have the name Bob, and it will create a view from that. Okay, so that's how we can create views with MySQL. That's about it for this video. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.